Solved problems. Journal entries. Part 3. Problem. Hol's disc golf course was opened on March 1 by Ian Holes. The following selected events and transactions occurred during March. March 1. Invested 20,000 cash in the business. 3. Purchased Rainbow Golf land for 15,000 cash. The price consists of land 12,000, shed 2,000 and equipment 1,000. Make one compound entry. March 5. Paid advertising expenses of 900. March 6. Paid cash 600 for a 1-year insurance policy. March 10. Purchased golf discs and other equipment for 1050 from Stevenson Company, payable in 30 days. March 18. Received 1100 in cash for golf fees. Holds records golf fees as service revenue. March 19. Sold 150 coupon books for 10 rupees each. Each book contains 4 coupons that enabled holder to pay 1 round of disc golf. 25. Withdraw 800 for cash for personal use. March 30. Paid salaries of 250. March 30. Paid Stevenson Company in full. March 31. Received 2700 cash for golf fees. Holds disc golf uses the following accounts: cash, prepaid insurance, land, buildings, equipment, accounts payable, unearned service revenue, owner's capital, owner's drawings, service revenue, advertising expense, and salaries and wages expense. Generalized March transactions. Holds disc golf course journal for the month of March. March 1. Invested 20,000 cash in the business. Cash account debit 20,000. Owner's capital credit 20,000, being the cash brought into business. March 3. Purchased Rainbow Golf land for 15,000 cash. The price consists of land 12,000, shed 2,000 and equipment 1,000. Make one compound entry. Land debit 12,000, buildings debit 2,000, equipment debit 1,000, cash credit 15,000, being the Rainbow Golf land bought for cash. March 5. Paid advertising expenses 900. Advertising expenses 900 debit. Cash 900 credit, being the advertising expenses paid. March 6. Paid cash 600 for 1-year insurance policy. Prepaid insurance debit 600. Cash credit 600, being the insurance policy premium paid for 1 year. March 10. Purchased golf discs and other equipment for 1050 from Stevenson Company, payable in 30 days. Equipment debtor 1050, accounts payable credit 1050, being the equipment bought on credit. March 18. Received 1100 in cash for golf fees. Halls records golf fees as service in revenue. Cash debit 1100, service income credit 1100, being the service income received. March 19. Sold 150 coupons books for 10 rupees each. Each book contains 4 coupons that enable the holder to pay 1 round of disc golf. Cash debit 1500, unearned service income 1500, being the coupon books sold. March 25. Withdraw 800 for cash for personal use. Owner's drawings debit 800, cash credit 800, being the cash drawn in for personal use. March 30. Paid salaries 250. Salaries and wages expense debit 250, cash credit 250, being the salaries paid. March 30. Paid Stevenson Company in full. Accounts payable debit 1050, cash credit 1050, being the amount due to Stevenson Company paid. March 31. Received 2700 cash for golf fees. Cash debit 2700, service income credit 2700, being the golf fees received. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.